Here's my price prediction for Shiba Inu Coin, and here's what you need to know. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu Coin analysis. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. Public is a great social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are buying, selling, and of course talking about in the stock markets, and just now recently added the cryptocurrency markets. And as another plus, if you guys want to start trading Shiba Inu and buy Shiba Inu in general, you guys can sign up with our link down in the description below. They just added Shiba Inu to their platform. Again, guys, it's a great addition to the platform, and overall, I am very, very excited for that indeed. Before we get into this video, let me know down in the comments below how many Shiba Inu tokens you guys are holding. Every video we do this, and every video you guys kill it with all of the support and comments that you guys leave. We're going to pin the comment with the most tokens holding, so let us know down in the comments below how many tokens of Shiba Inu you guys are holding. We'd love to see how strong the army is every single video, and you guys absolutely kill it. And leave a like. Let's get this video to 600 likes, guys. You guys blow that like counter away every time we do it in the video, so let's do it again with 600 likes, guys. But let's get right into this video. Alrighty, guys, Shiba Inu price predictions, right? This is something that everybody wants to know about, something that everybody wants to know. It's kind of the end all be all, really, in talking about Shiba Inu is where is this thing gonna be in 2021, or at the end of 2021, or 2022, 2023, even up to 2025, right? Everybody wants to know. And there's a few different ways that we can look at that and kind of take predictions and kind of look at things and metrics and everything. But again, guys, we'll go through that today, and obviously I'll give my opinion on where I think this coin could be headed, at least by 2022, because I mean the end of the year for 2021 is rapidly approaching. We only have about 2 months left, and then that is going to be it. But let's talk Shiba Inu real quick. We'll talk a little bit of shop. So we're up today, or sorry, we are up today. We were down literally about 30 minutes ago when I was getting kind of research together for this video. We were down just about 0.33%. Now we're up 0.18. So again, not too bad there. Again, we've been very flat as far as the overall price movement has been for the past couple of days. And that is not necessarily a bad thing, guys. I would rather have a consolidation period where we're just very stable at these levels, right? Trading tightly between, this kind of current wedge that we're in, and not moving in a drastic sense downward. Of course, we all want it to go parabolic upwards, right? That's what everybody wants. But again, guys, it needs to kind of consolidate here and get that support level set up before it can start to move higher. Because if we're at these levels in the first place, it clearly shows that, again, fundamentally, this is a very strong chart, in my opinion. We're looking very, very strong as far as a bullish case goes for Shiba Inu. And if more catalysts continue to come out, more news continues to come out, again, and we're holding at these levels and not showing any signs of weakness, really, again, I think we could see more upward price movement and more upward momentum. Now, let's talk price predictions. Let's talk about everything here. We have an FX Street article. Of course, I'm going to give my own takes on this as well and kind of add to it, so it's not just the FX Street take here, because I think that is important, obviously, but let's talk about it, right? So we have Shiba Inu price prediction: Shib at the edge of 20% ascent if bulls conquer last hurdle. So let's talk about what that hurdle is. Shiba Inu price continues, wow, killing it with the reading today, guys. Sorry about that. Anyways, Shiba Inu price continues to consolidate as it moves sideways following the tremendous bull run earlier this month. Shib has presented a buying opportunity as it edges closer to a 20% rally following the emergence of a bullish technical pattern. Right, so we talk about the bullish pennant, right, which we're forming here, which is basically just a giant triangle on the edge of a huge run up. Again, guys, super bullish chart indeed. Lots of potential for upward momentum. And like the article said as well, we are just consolidating really right now. We're not moving in any crazy direction up or down, just kind of consolidating and creating kind of a new support, which is not a bad thing. Shiba Inu price awaits climb towards the 3543 level. Shiba Inu price has formed an inverse head and shoulders pattern on the 4-hour chart. The prevailing technical pattern suggests a 20% breakout towards the 3543 and October 7th high once Shib surges above the neckline of the chart pattern to 2946 until a dog themed token is able to slice above the one last obstacle and may continue to trend sideways. So that is really, guys, what we're looking for. And as you can see here, here's a really nice technical analysis chart here showing the bull pennant that we're talking about and talking about that last hurdle, right? So this is kind of the break, or the area that we need to break above in order to see some major movement in the right direction. Now, keeping this in mind, guys, this is written on 10/21, right? And this article, or rather today, this video is being made on 10/22, right? And so since then, right, if we go back to kind of where we're at there hasn't been much of change, right? There hasn't really nothing really has changed fundamentally or technically, really. about that chart, the bullish case still remains intact, right? That pattern has not failed yet, and we're still waiting to see what is going to come out of that pattern in general. Guys, again, we keep squeezing smaller and smaller. I mean, here, I'll even draw these lines just so we can kind of get a better idea of what we're looking at here. Again, this isn't gonna be a perfect line. You guys can judge my technical analysis in the comments below if you'd like, but again, we're gonna get into it either way. Let's get here where we get kind of small. Try to hit all of these trend lines either way. Again, guys, if you look here, we're getting very, very close to the point of no return, or pretty much the point of the determination point, right? It's like, all right, guys, something needs to happen at this point. We keep bouncing off of all these highs and all these lows. Again, this is a super bullish pattern. It is a classic bull pennant, guys. Very classic indeed. And I'm really, really hoping that we can see something big here in either the next couple of days or maybe even the next week. Again, it looks like the end of this chart that I drew kind of traces out to about October 24th to maybe the 25th at the latest, if I'm a little bit inaccurate with how I drew my lines. But again, guys, that's not necessarily guaranteeing that we're going to jump out of this price, because again, there are things called pattern fails, right? We have seen just, you know, things like this. We have seen Shiba Inu and just other types of stocks, cryptos, pattern fail out of those really strong bullish patterns. So just because the technicals look great, right? They look amazing. There looks to be no problems, doesn't mean that we're out of the woods yet. Again, hopefully a catalyst will drive that through that bullish pattern. And again, we will get a pattern confirmation, right? And then instead of a pattern fail, and we'll continue higher with this coin. Now, if we want to talk a little bit more about catalysts, right, we have just a bunch of different stuff. We have Shiba Inu, right, which is their kind of main blockchain technology that they're really working on right now to get off the ground. And again, guys, if you've done any research on Shiba Inu, I would love to go into it in this video, but again, it's going to take a while. Obviously, I don't want to be here all day trying to waste your guys' time. But again, Shiba Inu, another huge catalyst for Shiba Inu, and is currently being developed. Again, I think that will be a big deal once it is properly implemented and properly put into place. We also have their game that they're developing and NFT, you know, ecosystem stuff and everything. So there are actually rumors and talk and speculation about another round of NFTs dropping. Not soon necessarily, but in the future, they will be dropping more NFTs. And two, there will be a game that Shiba Inu is going to create, or that they're currently creating rather, and it's going to be a AAA studio that is creating that game. And that game will probably do some big numbers for Shiba Inu, just more hype, more speculation, and more than likely you'll probably be able to earn NFTs by playing that game. Pretty cool stuff. And two, they just have more stuff coming out, guys. There's always new stuff in the roadmap, new exchanges being listed, new stuff with staking, trying to make staking more efficient and better, because right now, fortunately, staking is pretty expensive and a lot of people don't like it. But again, guys, it's very exciting stuff. I'm looking forward to what else comes out of this coin. Again, my price prediction by the end, I think, of 2021, I'm hoping that we can reach back to the 3.5 to 5 level. In my opinion, if we get a Robinhood listing, which in my opinion is the biggest or the largest catalyst that we're looking at right now, it's what people are talking about constantly. I think we could go all the way to the 6, 7. We might be able to even delete a 0, guys. I know that's a big claim, but I think we can delete another 0 if we get a Robinhood listing. Again, you can argue market cap all day with me you want in the comments down below. I'll respond if you do. But either way, guys, I'm very excited about this coin. Lots of potential, lots of news coming out. And overall, guys, the Shiba Inu army remains strong. So that's pretty much it today for this video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. Public is a great social investing network app that allows you to buy, sell, and talk about anything in the stock markets and crypto markets. You can follow your friends, family members, and even famous people on there and see what everybody else is buying, selling, and talking about in the markets. Plus, they just recently added Shib. So of course, if you're watching this video, more than likely you're into Shib in the first place, and you might want to sign up with that link and get yourself some Shib on their platform. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.